How to delete Character.A account. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to permanently delete your Character.AI account. Whether you're switching platforms, concerned about privacy, or simply moving on, the process is straightforward and takes just a few minutes. However, I need to emphasize one critical point. Account deletion is permanent and cannot be reversed. Once you delete your account, all your chats, characters, and profile data are gone forever. So before we start, make sure this is what you actually want to do. Let's walk through the process. Step 1. Cancel any active subscriptions first. Before deleting your account, cancel any active Character.AI Plus subscriptions. If you have an active subscription and you delete your account, you'll still be charged. Go to whichever store you used to purchase the subscription. On iOS, go to Settings, Subscriptions, Character.AI Cancel. On Android, open Google Play Store, Subscriptions, Character.AI Cancel. On web, check your account settings for subscription options. Cancel first, delete second. Step 2. Access your account on web. Open Character.AI on your web browser and log in to your account. This must be done on a computer or tablet. The mobile app has some limitations for account deletion, so desktop is more reliable. Step 3. Navigate to Settings. Once logged in, look at the top right corner of your screen. Click on your profile picture or username. This opens a drop-down menu. Click on Settings. This takes you to your account settings page. Step 4. Find Account or Privacy Settings. Scroll down the Settings menu. Look for an option labeled Account, Privacy, or Data Management. Click on it. This section contains options related to your account and personal data. Step 5. Locate Delete Account option. Continue scrolling until you find the Delete Account button. It's usually near the bottom of the page and may be highlighted in red or orange. Click on Delete Account. Step 6. Verify your identity. Character.AI requires identity verification before permanent deletion. A dialog box will appear asking you to confirm your original login method. This is the method you used when you created your account. Did you sign up with Google? Confirm with Google. Did you use Discord? Confirm with Discord. Did you use an email address? Re-enter your email password. Select your original login method and complete the verification. Step 7. Confirm deletion. After verification, you'll see a final confirmation screen that says something like, "Your account and all data will be permanently deleted. This cannot be undone." Click Confirm or Delete Account to proceed. Once you click this, there is no undo. Your account begins deletion immediately. Step 8. What happens next? Your login access disappears immediately. You cannot log back in. Your public profile removes itself within minutes to hours. Backend cleanup happens over days to weeks as the system processes the deletion across all servers. Chats, characters, and personal data are erased from your primary account. Some compliance and security logs may be retained by Character.AI for legal audit purposes, but your active data is removed. If you're on mobile, if you prefer to use the mobile app, the process is similar but slightly different. Open the Character.AI app, tap the profile icon at the bottom, tap the settings gear icon. Look for Account or Advanced Settings. Find Delete Account and tap it. Follow the verification process. Confirm deletion. Mobile deletion works the same way as web deletion. Common issues if deletion fails. The most common cause is using the wrong login method for verification. Before you start, check your settings to confirm which method you used originally. If you can't remember, try each method one at a time. If you no longer have access to your original email or login method, contact Character.AI support for account recovery assistance before deletion. What you should know: deletion is permanent. You cannot recover your account or data afterward. Create a new account if you change your mind, but it will be a completely fresh start. Your username will become available for other users to claim. Any characters you created become inaccessible, though the platform may take time to fully remove public characters from discovery. Linked emails will receive deletion confirmation notices. This is normal. Summary: cancel your Character.AI Plus subscription first. Log in on the web. Go to Settings, Account. Click Delete Account. Verify with your original login method. Confirm deletion. Your account is permanently deleted. Access disappears immediately. Full backend cleanup takes days to weeks. That's it. If this tutorial helped you, please like and subscribe. Comment below and tell me if you're switching to a different AI platform. Thanks for watching.